Welcome back, everybody, with the Grand Shamrock Tour. I'm Carolyn.
And my name is John with the GST, and today we're going to give a solution to one of the problems that Carolyn's been having. It's got an aftermarket screen. If you've ever seen the BMW F750 GS, the original windscreen that comes on it, it wouldn't keep a bug off your chest. That being said, we put this larger one on there, and it's done a great job, but she's getting some buffeting on her helmet, and she also wants to get that kind of little cool air draft. Well, we found this thing on Amazon. It's like a wind vest. It's just a little deflector, and it seemed, for the price, let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna put it on for her, and then we're gonna take it for a ride, and we'll give you guys some feedback on what it is. It's a real simple installation. I've loosened everything up so that the bracket can just go on in position. We'll adjust the deflection later, and then we could use a thing called a tape measure, or we could do the old eyeball test. Probably will use a tape measure too.
So simple.
Yeah, that's essentially it. So you're going to get it to where you want it, and what I'll do is I'll just make sure we've got our alignment correct. If you guys are doing some of the your own projects, your installs on your motorcycles, I mean, you're always fumbling for the right size Allen head wrench, especially metrics are just going to be a bit challenging. I got this Neiko Allen socket set, very reasonably priced. This thing has been just a game changer for me. It's been really wonderful. I don't know if Carolyn, you can find out if there's a link to this from Amazon. I just got it from Amazon. But yeah. Boy, I'll tell you what, if you are doing any of your own projects like this and you just want to make it a whole lot simpler and a whole lot easier, I highly recommend one of these. I'm going to go ahead and use it right now and finish tightening this thing up. Most people are just trying to just make this process as easy as can be expected. And if we can find something that just makes it a little easier, let's do it. Now this particular set comes with a series of Allen head wrenches that we'll put in Carolyn's tank bag. So if we got to make any adjustments when we're out on the road that she wants me to do, we'll have those just in case.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, so this screen, let me just say that I just saw a butterfly and it flew aside instead of into my helmet. So far as I know, I haven't got any on my helmet yet. But it does have a curvature, so you kind of have to set it so that you can see the road or the person in front of you or what's happening in front of you. So there might be a little bit of adjustment in terms of everybody's got to make everything you do is you got to get used to those adjustments, I love the brake pad. That's really good. I didn't want it to trip me up on my boot, but it doesn't. It just holds it really well.
I feel quite spoiled because I have my own personal mechanic here. He talks about tools and what we need. All I need is him. He shows up, he takes care of everything. He's put on a little brake pad for me. When I press down, that brake is a little closer, so I'll give you a report on that. And then I'm going to give you feedback on this edition. Nobody likes their helmet to be buffeted in the wind, but I really appreciate you taking care of me and my motorcycle.
Well, yeah.
You have other things you'd rather be doing, like a Transalp.
Well, we are going to be doing quite a few things on that Transalp. Very excited. This community of motorcyclists they're the greatest people because we help each other out. We'll always be going down the road. Are you okay? We're good. That kind of stuff is just it's just symbolic of what we are about, motorcyclists, and glad to be a part of that. This looks like it's going to work for you, Sport.
Yeah, let me get on. Let me just see what it looks like. Okay.
You got
And I'll try my helmet cam.
You got a lot
today,
of
too.
adjustment on this, so you can move the
So
deflection
it
here.
just adjusts while I'm riding?
No, you're just going to set it, and then you
set it,
you
and
set
then-
it,
and then
forget
you
it.
tighten
You
it.
popeel it.
No,
You run
popeel
popeel it. Set it and
Set
forget
it
it.
and forget it, which is the kind of rider I am.
Wind Deflector, link to it on Amazon here in the description below, and we're going to go out there and take this thing for a ride, and Carolyn will tell you what she thinks of it. You know what's kind of nice is, if she likes it, might well put one on the old Transalp over there. And on that note, travel safe, and we'll see you out on the road.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair.
Whoa. What kind of bike do you ride?
Someday, baby, don't you
Wow.
understand?
Nice.
Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?